In the words of Andrew Wiles, pure mathematicians just they love to try unsolved problems. They love a challenge. Now let us know trigonometric ratio values of 30 degree and 60 degree. Let us consider an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. I am taking an equilateral triangle ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. In triangle ABC, length of AB is equal to length of BC equal to length of CA. Let AB equal to BC is equal to CA equal to A units. Let us say length of each side is A units. A and length of BC also A units. We know in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal, all sides are equal and all angles are equal, so that each angle x and x if we take, we know sum of three angles of an equilateral triangle is 180 degree, so that each angle is 60, 180 by 3, that is 60. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. Now let us find trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. To find it, I am going to draw an altitude. Construct AD, altitude AD. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Here AD perpendicular to BC, so that angle ADB is 90 degree and ADC also 90 degree linear pair. Their sum is 180, 90 plus 90, 180. Here there are two triangles ADB and ADC. Right angle equal, hypotenuse equal, and common side is there. AD is common side these two triangles. Right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side. By RHS congruency, we can say these two triangles are congruent. By RHS congruency, you can say triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. By CPCT, here in first triangle BD and second triangle DC are equal in length. BD equal to DC. So BD is equal to BC is equal to, that is half of BC, so that half of BC, that is half of BC length is A units, so half of A units. That means A by BD is A by 2 units. BD length is half of A, that is A by 2 units. BD length is A by 2 units. We know BD and AB. If we know altitude AD, then we can go to find trigonometric ratios for the angle 60 degree. Here, for 60 degree it is adjacent side. BD is adjacent side, right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. We need to find this opposite side AD to 60 degree, opposite side to 60 degree. This one we need to find. In triangle ADB, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADB, angle D and ADB is 90 degree by Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. BD square plus AD square is hypotenuse AB square. We know BD length is A by 2, so that A by 2 whole square plus AD length we need to find, that is AD square, that is AB length is A units, that is A square. Let me simplify this. First of all, let me write square separately to numerator and denominator. A square by 2 square. A square by 2 square plus AD square is equal to A square. A square by 2 square value 4 plus AD square is equal to A square. Transpose plus A square by 4 to the RHS, so that AD square equal to A square minus A square by 4. Next step, LCM is 4, so that 4 into A square, 4A square minus A square by 4. 4A square minus A square is 3A square by 4. AD square is 3A square by 4. To cancel square, apply square root. AD is equal to square root 3A square by 4. I am applying square root separately. AD is equal to square root 3 square root A square by square root 4. Cancel square and root. So AD is equal to root 3 by root 4 value 2. Root 3 by 2. AD is root 3 by root 4 value 2 into A. Length of AD is root 3 by 2A units. So AD length we got root 3 by 2 into A units. So in triangle ADB we got opposite side to 60. AD is root 3 by 2A. Adjacent side to 60, A by 2 units. And right angle opposite side, hypotenuse length A units. As we got 3 sides lengths, now we can find trigonometric ratios of this angle 60 degree. For this 60 degree, AD is opposite side to 60 degree. And BD is adjacent side to 60 degree. And right angle opposite side is called as hypotenuse all the time. Let us write all 6 trigonometric ratios for the 60 degree. First one, sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is opposite side to 60 degree by hypotenuse. Opposite side to 60 degree is AD. Hypotenuse is AB. Here AD length is root 3 by 2A, height of equator triangle, that is root 3 by 2A. By AB length is A units. A. So that next root 3 into A by 2 into A to A get cancelled in A one time as A is non-zero. So that root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Next, cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is adjacent side to 60 degree by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to 60 degree by hypotenuse. That is BD by AB. BD length we have A by 2. BD length is A by 2 by AB length is A units. So A by 2 into A, 2A. A get cancelled in A one time, so 1 by 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Next, third trigonometric ratio, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is opposite side to 60 degree by adjacent side to 60 degree. Opposite side to 60 degree is here AD. Adjacent side to 60 degree is BD. AD by BD. AD by BD. That is nothing but AD length is here root 3 by 2A. That is root 3 by 2A by BD length is A by 2. That is A by 2. That is root 3 by 2 A into A by 2 reciprocal 2 by A. A get cancelled at one time, 2 2 and one time, so that root 3. We got tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Next one. Let us see the next. Cosecant 60 degree. Cosecant 60 degree is hypotenuse by opposite side to 60 degree. Hypotenuse is AB by opposite side to 60 degree is AD. That is AD, AB length A units by AD length root 3 by 2A. Next, A in root 3 by 2A reciprocal 2 by root 3A. A in A one time, so 1 into root 2, 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 degree value 2 by root 3. That is the reciprocal of sin 60. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal 2 by root 3. Verified. Next one, secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degrees hypotenuse by adjacent side to 60 degree. Hypotenuse is here. Hypotenuse is AB by adjacent side is here BD. AB by BD. So AB length is A units by BD length is A by 2. We know A by 2 reciprocal is 2 by A. So A get cancelled one time. 1 into 2 is 2. That is 2 units. That is secant 60 degree is 2. Secant 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2 is reciprocal 2. Verified the value. Next, finally, cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree is nothing but adjacent side to 60 degree by opposite side to 60 degree. That is BD by DA. BD by DA. That is BD length is A by 2 by DA length is root 3 by 2A. So next, here 2 get cancelled, a in a one time, so that 1 by root 3. Cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. That is 1 by root 3. That is the reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 value root 3. So cos 60 value is 1 by root 3. Like we can verify the reciprocals of sin 60, cos 60 and tan 60. These are the trigonometric ratios for 60 degree. Now we can find trigonometric ratios of 30 degree also within the same equilateral triangle. By RHS congruency, it is very clear that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. So that by CPCT, angle BAD and angle CAD both should be equal. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So angle BAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to, here angle at A, angle BAC is 60 degree. That is angle BAC by 2. That is angle BAC is 60 degree. Each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. 60, 60, 60. So that 60 by 2. That is nothing but 30 degree. So angle BAD is 30 degree. With respect to 30 degree, it is opposite side. Opposite side to 30 degree. Then it is adjacent side to 30 degree. Adjacent side to 30 degree. And right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. BD is A by 2. Height of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2a units. The side AB is A units. So all these three sides we know, so that we can find the trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle 30 degree. So first of all, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is opposite side to 30 degree by hypotenuse. So that the opposite side to 30 degree is BD by hypotenuse AB. So that BD length is A by 2 units, A by 2 by AB length is A units. That is nothing but A by 2A. A by 2 into A, 2A. So that A in A get cancelled one time, so that 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Next one, cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side to 30 degree by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to 30 degree by hypotenuse. So that adjacent side to 30 degree is AD by hypotenuse is AB. AD length is here root 3 by 2a, that is root 3 by 2a by hypotenuse is A. Next step, root 3 by 2a into root 3 by 2 root 3a by 2 into a 2a, a in a get cancel one time. Root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Now let us find tan 30 degree. third one, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is nothing but opposite side to 30 degree by adjacent side to 30 degree. So opposite side to 30 degree by adjacent side to 30 degree. Opposite side to 30 degree is BD by adjacent side to 30 degree is AD. BD length is we have A by 2 units, A by 2 by AD length is root 3 by 2 A. Next A by 2 into root 3 by 2 A reciprocal is 2 by root 3 A. 2 into get cancel one time, A in A one time. So 1 into 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Now let us find cosecant 30 degree, secant 30 degree and cot 30 degree. Fourth one, cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is hypotenuse by opposite side to 30 degree, that is AB by B. AB by B. That is AB length we have A units by BD length is A by 2 units. A by 2 reciprocal is 2 by A. A in A get cancel one time, so 1 into 2, 2. So cosecant 60 degree is value is 2. Sorry, cosecant 30 degree value is 2. Cosecant 30 degree value is 2. Next one, fifth one, secant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. Next secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is hypotenuse by adjacent side to 30 degree. Hypotenuse is AB by adjacent side to 30 degree is AD. AB length we have here A units by AD length is root 3 by 2 A. A root 3 by 2 A reciprocal 2 by root 3 A. A in A get cancel one time, 1 into 2, 2 by root 3. So secant 30 degrees 2 by root 3. You can observe here cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocals are equal. Cos 30 reciprocal equal to sin 30. Next, sin 30 value 1 by 2, cosecant 30 degree value 2. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Verified. Finally, cot 30 degree. Fifth one, cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is adjacent side to 30 degree by opposite side to 30 degree. That is AD by BD. AD by BD. That is nothing but AD length is root 3 by 2 A. Root 3 by 2 A by BD length is A by 2 units. That is A by 2. Next, root 3 by 2A into A by 2 reciprocal is 2 by A. A get cancel one time, 2 1 time, root 3 into 1 root 3, root 3 into 1 root 3. So cot 30 degree value, cot 30 degree value root 3. Here we found tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and its reciprocal cot 30 is root 3. From this we found trigonometric ratios of 30 degree using an equilateral triangle. Now let us find the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. To find the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree, I am going to consider a right angle triangle, right angle isosceles triangle. Consider a right angle isosceles triangle. I am taking a right angle isosceles triangle ABC. Right angle is at B. In triangle ABC, I am taking angle B is 90 degree, and as it is a right angle isosceles triangles, two sides are equal. AB equal to BC. AB is equal to BC, that equal to say A units. Let me take AB is A units and BC as A units. Here, in fact, in isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal. Equal sides opposite angles are equal, so that angle A is equal to angle C. We know by angle sum property, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So that I am writing angle C equal to angle A. It is very clear. Angle C is equal to angle A, as angle C is equal to angle A. Equal isosceles triangle, equal sides opposite angles are equal, so that angle C is equal to angle A. So that angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Angle C place I am writing angle A equal to 180 degree. Transpose 90 to the right. A plus A to A, 2 into angle A is equal to 180 minus 90. Angle A is equal to 2 into angle A equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Transpose 2 to the right, into 2 become by 2, divides angle A is equal to 90 by 2. 90 by 2 means half of 90 is 45. Angle A is 45 degree. Now we came to know angle A is 45 degree, angle C also 45 degree. Now, with respect to this 45 degree, it is opposite side, BC is opposite side, AB is adjacent side, right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. To find the trigonometric ratios, we need to find all the three sides. We know two sides already. We need to find third side, hypotenuse AC. We can use Pythagoras theorem to find this hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square in a right angle triangle. So that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equal to one side AB square plus another side BC square. Here AB length is A units, AC square equal to AB length is A units, BC length also A units. A square plus A square 2A square. So that AC square is equal to 2A square. Apply square root. AC equal to root 2A square. I am applying square root separately. Root 2 into root A square. Square and root get cancelled, so that root 2A units. length of AC is equal to, we don't know, now we found that is root 2 into A units. AC length is root 2 into A units. So as we know, AB length A units, BC length A units, AC length root 2 A units. Now we can find trigonometric ratios for 45 degree. Let us find the trigonometric ratios for this angle 45 degree. In this isosceles right angle triangle, with respect to 45 degree, that means with respect to angle A, let us name the sides. Right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. So angle A opposite side is opposite side to angle A, and it is AB is adjacent side to angle A. First of all, let us find sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree. Otherwise, sine A is equal to opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. As angle A is 45 degree, sine 45 degree is equal to opposite side to angle A. Angle A opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side to A by hypotenuse. That is BC length is A units by AC length is root 2 A units. A get cancelled in A one time as A is non-zero. So that sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. In the same manner, let us find cos 45 degree. Consider cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Here angle A is 45, so cos 45 degree is equal to adjacent side to angle A is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB length is A units by AC length is root 2 A. A get cancelled in A one time, so that cos 45 degree is equal to cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree also 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45 degree. To find tan 45 degree, I am taking tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. Opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. Opposite side to angle A is here BC. By adjacent side to angle A is AB. Here tan A is equal to BC by AB. Tan A is nothing but 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to BC length is A units and AB length also A units. A get cancelled in A one time, so that tan 45 degrees value is 1. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, and tan 45 degree 1. Let us know cosecant 45 degree, secant 45 degree, and cot 45 degree. Cosecant 45 degree, cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to angle A. That is, hypotenuse is AC, opposite side to angle A is BC. So that cosecant angle A is 45 degree. So AC length is root 2 into A by BC length is A units. A in A one time, so that cosecant 45 degree, we got cosecant 45 degree is what? Is root 2. Cosecant 45 degree value, now we got root 2. Cosecant 45 is nothing but reciprocal of secant 45. Sorry, sin 45. Cosecant 45 is nothing but reciprocal of sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So that it's reciprocal. Cosecant 45 is root 2. Next, fifth one. Secant 45 degree. Secant A. Secant A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side to A. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle A. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent side to angle A is AB. AC length is root 2 A units, root 2 into A. AB length is A units. A near cancel one time. Is secant A mean secant angle A is 45 degree. So secant 45 degree is root 2. In fact, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. So its reciprocal secant 45 degree is root 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2 square root. Finally, cot 45 degree. Cot A is equal to adjacent side to angle A by opposite side to angle A. Adjacent side to angle A is AB by opposite side to angle A is BC. Here cot A is equal to AB length A units, BC length also A units. A in A one time. So cot angle A is nothing but 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is 1. In fact, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan 45 1, its reciprocal. Tan 45 1, its reciprocal. Cot 45 also 1. So finally we got sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degree 1. Cosecant 45 degree root 2. Secant 45 degree root 2. And cot 45 degree 1. In this manner, we can find trigonometric ratios of 45 degree using right angle isosceles triangle.